My name is Laura Akinyi. I came to Buxton Point as an internship. Since I had heard about the internship program and decided to apply, I got my chance and I took the opportunity well. And I came here for like 6-8 months. And due to my potential and hard working, the GulfCap and Buxton Point decided to give me another chance by employing me as their plumbing maintenance. I'm here dealing with the plumbing maintenance in water, the sewer, and inside their households by repairing and maintaining their equipment and fittings inside the house. I've been working with the GulfCap and the Buxton Point community as a whole. It has been a very nice journey. We are here as a family and as a team. For now, I thank my colleagues and the engineers who have been taking part on this program. And I do believe that in 5 years to come, I'll truly be that water engineer for the GulfCap Real Estate. And I'll be a testimony to you all. GulfCap Real Estate, aspire, invest and thrive.